Hi guys, it's Mrs. Santiago here, and I wanted to help the people at home on remote learning complete their notes for the pronoun chart notes page, which is in your OneNote, page 37, pronoun chart. So you can see where I am. Again, I'm in chapter 1, the basics, page 37, pronoun chart. I'm going to eliminate the table of contents so that we can focus in on the chart. So I'm going to change my pen color to black for once, which you know I don't usually do, but I'm going to write in black so that you can see the difference between the chart. So again, the pronoun chart from the video in Schoology, this is how we're going to organize our pronouns today. Eventually, we'll be using this chart quite a bit for other things. Okay, so let's just start. I in Spanish is yo. You in Spanish is tú with an accent mark. The accent is important. If you don't put in the accent mark, you've made it into the word your, like your shoes. You with an accent mark, tú, T-U accent mark. So you formal is usted. Okay, it's written at UD period, usted. But really you're saying it like this, usted. That's it written out in a word, usted. He is L with an accent. She is ella. Again, the accent mark over the EL is very important because without the accent mark, you're saying the. Ella, remember, double L equals Y. So yo, tú, usted, él, ella. All of these, this is the singular side. So this is all one person. On the right-hand purple side, we have we, which is nosotros. We, the group. It can be anybody and I. As soon as we have a group of people and then it says and I, that is nosotros. If you have we, a group of girls, you know you can change that ending to AS for we, the group of girls. You plural is vosotros, but it's only used in Spain, and we're not going to focus on it this year, but it's important that you know that that is the area for vosotros. You, the group. Now, this is any group for us, formal or sorry about that, formal or informal. It's kind of like saying you all. Okay, it's just you, plural, and that is ustedes. Again, written out, it would be like this, ustedes. But it's almost never written out. It's always UDS, period. So take L, they, the group of boys, or a mixed group of boys and girls would be ellos. The plural of ella would be they, the group of girls, ellas. So it's yo, tú, usted, él, ella, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, ustedes, ellos, ellas. Now let's talk about those notes underneath the chart. In Spanish, the pronoun chart is very important. All Spanish verbs are conjugated. Conjugated is a big fancy word that means change. So I want to make sure I remember that. I'm going to write here an arrow. Conjugate means to change. Okay, so conjugated means that the verbs change depending. They have to, we should say comma, to match the person who is doing the action. So the verb changes to match the person doing the action. I'm going to get rid of depending and I'm going to change it to changes. Changes to match the person doing the action. We use the pronoun chart to easily keep track of how to change the verb for the different pronouns. When used with verbs, the pronoun chart becomes a verb chart. The verb charts will show the Spanish verb being conjugated at the top of the chart. In the chart, you will have the Spanish pronouns on the left and the verb correctly written for each person on the right. Since the you informal plural form, which is vosotros, is only used in Spain, It is important to recognize it, but we will not be using it in our study of Spanish. Okay, I hope that helps you complete this page. Now you should be going to page 38, which is a pronoun reference chart, and read through it and make sure you can memorize what these all are. Okay, and it gives you a little visual. Then tonight, your homework is the practice page. Now, it's super simple. The instructions are below the Spanish instructions in English. And we'll be going over that, and it's a graded assignment. If you have questions, please let me know. Thank you.